man, lemon haze in the paper. High grade anthem, the fire ignite. Inna the hills, Jah guide the light. Roll the spliff, the meditation bright. Babylon can't stop our vibes tonight. The OG Kush, it make my mind free. Blue dream on the ace, Jah legacy. Them say it's illegal, but Jah give with the key. Herb are the blessing when Babylon can't see. From the light, the chalice, the journey starts. The rhythm and the herb connect me heart. Babylon can't tear Jah works apart. High grade anthem, the healing art. Say the herb make me wise, the truth me sing. Reggae and the ganja, the love it bring. From the mountainside to the Zion King. High grade vibes, panja rhythm string. Gorilla glue, it lift me soul. The herb and the rhythm make the fire whole. Inna the smoke, Jah love patrol. Babylon can't touch Jah holy cool. Them fight the farmer, but Jah them can't break. The power of the herb make the system shake. Me can't feed the people, the fire awake. High grade anthem feed the earth sake. Blaze it up, the vibes can't done. Herb on the fire, the healing begun. High grade anthem under Jah's sun. Babylon can't stop the righteous run.
Vibes intense, the herb make the spirit and Jah connect sense. Every puff of me spliff Jah influence. Clouds of Zion make the vibes immense. Them fight with culture, them not understand. Herb a Jah's gift for every woman and man. The farmer them a labor on Jah's land. Clouds of Zion carry Jah's command. Say the fire burn bright, the truth ignite. The herb make the soul and Jah align tight. Clouds of Zion make the darkness light. Babylon can't stop Jah's might. The strain when me born a Jah's creation. Herb and the rhythm, the meditation. The fire carry the power for the nation. Clouds of Zion, Jah vibration. Me chant and the rhythm, Jah guide me speech. Herb make the wisdom easy fi reach. From the mountain to the valley, Jah love teach. Clouds of Zion, Jah vibes preach. Clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Pass the herb, let the fire grow. Clouds of Zion make Jah love flow. Babylon can't stop Jah's glow. Zion vibes lead wherever we go. Light, clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Light, clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Light, Jah's garden, the herb them grow. The wisdom in a the leaf, the blessings flow. Babylon, I see what Jah plan show. In a Jah's garden, the vibes them glow. The herb a Jah's gift, feed, heal we soul. From the chalice to the spliff, it make we whole. The farmer them a nurture Jah holy gold. The herb where we plant make the wicked console. Every puff a lesson, Jah light me way. The ganja make me strong, feel face today. Babylon can't silence what Jah display. In a Jah's garden, the roots stay. The herb in a the hills, the answer plain. It cleanse the heart, take away the pain. In Jah's garden, righteousness sustain. Babylon can't win, Jah love reign. Purple punch and the cake, the vibes make real. Herb make the fire blaze, the spirit heal. From me like the spliff, Jah love reveal. In a Jah's garden, the power seal. The chalice a bubble, the vibes arise. Herb bring the unity, open with eyes. In a Jah's wisdom, the ganja ties. In a Jah's garden, the spirit flies. Roll it up, the love can't cease. Herb a the healer, it bring with peace. In Jah's garden, the blessings increase. Babylon can't break Jah's masterpiece. Jah light we part. The herb and the rhythm connect with heart. The fire burn strong, not tear apart. Everlasting vibes, Jah holy heart. Me roll the split, the kush take me high. Herb and reggae make Jah love apply. The wicked try to stop with Jah works deny. Everlasting vibes under Jah's sky. From the farmer to the ghetto, you them share. The herb bring the healing, the righteous care. Babylon can't crush what Jah declare. Everlasting vibes everywhere. Light up the chalice, the truth reveal. Herb bring the power where Babylon steal. Everlasting vibes make the spirit heal. Jah love inna the herb, Jah got seal. The fire blaze, we chant Jah name. Reggae and the ganja, the vibes proclaim. Babylon can't stop Jah holy flame. Everlasting vibes remain the same. Roll up the strain where Jah blaze. Me light it up, me nah feel no stress. The herb make the journey feel endless. Everlasting vibes Jah love express. The rhythm I play, the herb in a me hand. Yeah, man, purple is not the spliff. Whoa. Chalice of fire, the spirit ignite. Herb make the darkness transform to light. The rhythm and the ganja are Jah delight. Babylon can't stop with tonight. Roll up the gelato, the vibes pure gold. The herb a Jah teacher, it make me bold. Babylon can't stop what the ancients hold. Chalice of fire, the truth unfold. The chancellor sing name, the rhythm high. The smoke rise up, reach just sky. Babylon can't break the connection, try. Herb bring the wisdom, Jah vibes apply. Herb inna the chalice, the meditation deep. Babylon fight we, but Jah love keep. The fire cleanse the soul, the blessing seep. Chalice of fire, Jah secrets peep. Roll the lemon haze, the spirit awake. The herb make the vision clear for me sake. From the mountain top, me path me take. Chalice of fire, the love create. Them fight the roots, but Jah make it thrive. The herb and the culture keep we alive. Babylon can't stop, Jah love we drive. Chalice of fire, we spirit revive. Pass the chalice, the vibes extend. The herb and the rhythm make we ascend. Chalice of fire, Jah blessing send. Babylon can't conquer we in at the end. Yeah.